So, dear students, in today's lecture, we will discuss derivatives basic formula. In our some of the previous lecture, we have already discussed the derivative basic formulae, trigonometry basic formulae, integration basic formulae. Okay, but today there is a special purpose to discuss derivative basic formulae once again, because the new topic which we are going to start from this today's lecture is a successive differentiation, which is very useful topic for nth time differentiation and many other applications, right? So in the field of engineering, degree, BCA, MCA, GATE examination, this is very important topic. Okay, so let us discuss today the basic derivative formulae. Okay, so before going to start the lecture, if you are not subscribed the YouTube channel, please subscribe it so that you will get the notifications time to time. Is that clear? So can we start? So let us see revision of basic derivative formulae for nth derivative, nth differentiation. Okay, so let us see the basic formula. What it is? You know, d dx of x to the power n. So what is the formula? N into x to the power n minus 1. Is that clear? So this is d dx of x to the power n. d dx of root x. Now you know that root x, it is a d dx of x to the power 1 by 2. Now if we apply this formula here, you will get 1 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2, and this is equal to 1 by 2 1 upon x to the power 1 by 2, and so it is 1 by 2 root x. Is that clear? So d dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. d dx of sin x is what? Cos x. Is that clear? d dx of cos x is what? Minus sin x. Is that clear? d dx of tan x is sec square x. Is that clear? Then d dx of cot x is minus cosec square x. Is that clear? This is d dx of cot x. d dx of sec x is what? Sec x into tan x. Is that clear? d dx of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Is that clear? All these formulae we have already discussed in our previous lecture. Now d dx of log x is 1 by x. Is that clear? Or we can call it is x to the power minus 1. d dx of a to the power x is a to the power x into log a. Is that clear? Log a is a constant quantity. Is that clear? So then d dx of e to the power x is e to the power x. Okay, so that is derivative of e to the power x. Is that clear? Then you see d dx of sine inverse x. What is d dx of sine inverse x? 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. Is that clear? 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. d dx of cos inverse x is minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. So you can find out the difference between this formula and this formula. There is minus sign difference only. Is that clear? The next formula, d dx of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Is that clear? d dx of cot inverse x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Is that clear? This is so. Is that clear? Then next formula, d dx of sec inverse is 1 upon x into square root of x square minus 1. Is that clear? Then ddx of cosec inverse x is 1 minus 1 upon x into square root of x square minus 1. Is that clear? So these are the various formulas. Is that clear? Though, so let us see chain rule. What was chain rule? Chain rule is if y is a function of u, if y is a function of u is a function of x, then dy by dx is equal to, okay, so what is given here? Y is a function of u and u is a function of x. Then finally y is a function of x. Is that clear? So let us see here. Y is a function of x, so we can write dy by dx. Y is a function of u, we can write dy by du when we differentiate y with respect to u. U is a function of x, so when we differentiate u with respect to x, it is du by dx. ओके, और ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट अगर आपने किया तो dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Is that clear? So that is or it is also called as a f dash of u dy by du into g dash of x dg by dx. Is that clear? So we can write the chain rule, and there are some formulas on the chain rule now. Now ddx of f of x to the power n is equal to n into f of x to the power n minus 1 into derivative of f of x, that is f dash of x. Is that clear? Then ddx of root f of x, 1 upon root x का derivative. What was root x derivative? 1 upon 2 root f of x into f dash of x. Is that clear? Then ddx of sin f of x is cos f of x into f dash of x. Is that clear? Then ddx of cos f of x, that is minus sin f of x. Is that clear? Into f dash of x. Is that clear? Then ddx of tan f of x is sec square f of x. Is that clear? Into f dash of x. That is chain rule. All these formulas are based on chain rule. ddx of cot f of x minus cosec square f of x into f dash of x. Is that clear? Then sec f of x, so it is sec f of x into tan f of x, right? Sec x का derivative into f dash of x. Is that clear? Then next cosec f of x minus cosec f of x cot f of x. Is that clear? And this multiplied by f dash of x. Is that clear? Then next ddx of e to the power f of x is e to the power x का derivative था e to the power x, e to the power u का derivative e to the power u into du by dx, that is f dash of x. Is that clear? Then a to the power f of x, a to the power x का derivative क्या था? A to the power x and a to the power u into log a into du by dx, that is f dash of x. Is that clear? So this was ddx of f of x, and ddx of log of f of x is what? 1 upon f of x into f dash of x. Is that clear? Then you see product rule. Now what is the product rule? ddx of k into f of x is equal to k into ddx of f of x, that is k into f dash of x. Is that clear? Then ddx of u into v, तो क्या आएगा? u into ddx of v plus ddx of u into v, that is u v dash plus u dash v. Is that clear? So that is the derivative. Either you can use this notation or you can use this notation. First function into derivative of second function plus derivative of first function into second function. Is that clear? So now d dx of x to the power x. हमें इसका डेरिवेटिव निकालना है. तो what would be the derivative? Let y is equal to x to the power x. Taking log of both sides. So log y is equal to log of x to the power x, that is x log x. Is that clear? Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. तो आपको log y का डेरिवेटिव होगा 1 upon y into dy by dx, and now it is equal to x log x. प्रोडक्ट रूल लगाएंगे हम यहाँ पे, तो क्या आएगा x into log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by x प्लस x का डेरिवेटिव 1 into log x. So it is equal to x cancel हो गया, तो it is 1 plus log x, and therefore dy by dx y से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो y into 1 plus log x, and what is the value of y? X to the power x into 1 plus log x. Is that clear? तो इसका फॉर्मूला हो गया x to the power x into 1 plus log x. Is that clear? Then d dx of f of a same procedure. If we apply the same procedure, then you will get the result here. F of x to the power g of x into, okay, same procedure, यही procedure अगर हमने repeat किया by 29, okay, तो आपको मिलेगा it is equal to g of x into f dash of x upon f of x plus g dash of x, right, into log of f of x. This is the formula d dx of f of x to the power g of x. Now quotient rule. What is quotient rule? Quotient rule u by v. So here what is quotient rule? Denominator into d dx of numerator minus numerator d dx of denominator upon denominator square. So what? Denominator v into d dx of u minus u d dx of v upon denominator square में v square. This is quotient formula, right, when u by v form is there. Then derivative of parametric function. Okay, so x is a function of t, y is a function of t, x is a function of t. From here you will get dx by dt. Y is a function of t, you will get dy by dt. And therefore dy by dt upon dx by dt अगर आपने किया तो क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे? dy by dt into dt by dx हो गया, ये बराबर है, dt dt कैंसिल हो गया, dy by dx, and therefore dy by dx is equal to what? dy by dt upon dx by dt. This is the formula for derivative of parametric function. Is that clear? So all these basic formulas we are repeated here in this today's lecture to continue the study of successive differentiation from next lecture. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask, you can comment in the video lecture, right? So I can clear it in a comment itself. Is that clear? So if you like the lecture, please subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you very much.